Close your eyes. Take a deep breath. Imagine yourself floating in the vast expanse of space. There is no weight here, no pressure, just the gentle caress of starlight and the profound silence of the cosmos. The universe stretches out before you, a tapestry of stars, planets, and galaxies, each with its own story to tell. Swirls of color from distant nebulae paint the darkness, remnants of ancient cosmic events. For the next few moments, you are a cosmic traveler, adrift among the stars. Here, in the quiet stillness of space, the noise of everyday life fades away. Embrace this silence, allow it to wash over you, to cleanse your mind and soothe your soul. In this silence we begin to hear the whispers of the universe. In the silence we find connection, a connection to something far greater than ourselves. We are about to embark on a journey through space and time, a journey that will take us to the very edge of the known universe and beyond. We will explore the mysteries of black holes, ponder the existence of other life forms, and delve into the very fabric of reality itself. For we are all children of the cosmos, our very bodies made from the remnants of exploded stars. The atoms that make up your hand, your heart, your mind, they were all forged in the fiery furnaces of long-dead stars. Our journey begins now. Imagine a time, before light, before matter, before even the concept of existence itself. There was nothing, not even empty space, no sound, no light, no sensation, just an immeasurable void of pure potentiality. Then, in an instant smaller than can be conceived, something stirred within this nothingness, an infinitely dense point, a singularity containing the blueprint for everything that ever was, is, and ever will be. And yet, from this seemingly impossible point, our universe was born. The Big Bang. Not an explosion in the traditional sense, but an unimaginable expansion, a sudden, incomprehensible stretching of space and time itself. In that first fraction of a second, the universe went from being infinitely small to unimaginably vast. Energy unleashed from its singularity prison transformed into matter and antimatter, particles colliding in a chaotic dance of creation and annihilation. From this primordial soup of energy and particles, the fundamental forces of the universe emerged. Gravity, electromagnetism, the strong and weak nuclear forces. The universe was no longer a void. It was alive with energy, with motion, with the potential for everything that was to come. As the universe continued to expand and cool, the energy that had driven the Big Bang began to coalesce. Gravity, the architect of the cosmos, drew together clouds of hydrogen and helium, the lightest elements, into swirling vortexes. These swirling clouds, nebulae, became the birthplaces of stars. Within these nebulae, gravity compressed the gas and dust, igniting nuclear fusion in their cores. The death throes of these early stars seeded the universe with heavier elements, forged in their nuclear furnaces. Even today, billions of years after the Big Bang, we can still detect the faint echoes of that primordial event. The cosmic microwave background radiation, a faint afterglow of the Big Bang, permeates the universe. A whisper of creation that reaches us from the very dawn of time. By studying this radiation, scientists can piece together the story of the early universe, confirming the predictions of the Big Bang theory with astonishing accuracy. The Big Bang was not just the beginning of our universe, but also the beginning of our understanding of it. The universe is not an empty stage upon which stars and galaxies perform their cosmic dance. It is a vibrant, interconnected tapestry, woven together by invisible threads that we are only beginning to perceive. These threads, composed of dark matter and dark energy, make up the vast majority of the universe's mass and energy, dictating its structure and evolution in ways we are still struggling to comprehend. Dark matter, as its name suggests, does not emit or interact with light, making it invisible to our telescopes. Dark energy, even more enigmatic than dark matter, acts as a force opposing gravity, driving the accelerating expansion of the universe. For centuries we perceived space and time as separate and absolute entities, but Einstein's theory of general relativity shattered this classical view, revealing a universe where space and time are inextricably linked, woven together into a four-dimensional fabric called space-time. Imagine space-time as a vast, flexible sheet. Massive objects like stars and planets create indentations in this sheet, warping the fabric of space-time around them. This warping of space-time is what we experience as gravity. Black holes, with their immense gravitational pull, represent the most extreme examples of space-time curvature, points where the fabric of space-time is stretched to its breaking point. Time itself is also affected by this warping of space-time. Time slows down in stronger gravitational fields, a phenomenon known as time dilation. The concepts of dark matter, dark energy, and space-time curvature push the boundaries of our understanding, challenging us to confront the limits of our knowledge and the profound mysteries that still shroud the universe. These mysteries are not sources of despair, but rather invitations to explore, to question, to push the boundaries of human ingenuity. Could dark matter be composed of exotic particles as yet unknown to physics? Could dark energy be a fundamental property of space-time itself, a force that permeates the universe and drives its expansion? As we delve deeper into the cosmic fabric, we are confronted with the humbling realization that the universe is far stranger, far more wondrous, and far more mysterious than we could have ever imagined. Within the vast, cold expanse of space, stars are not randomly scattered but gather in vast, swirling galaxies. And within these galaxies, stars are born in breathtaking displays of cosmic creation, nebulae. These stellar nurseries, vast clouds of gas and dust, serve as the birthplace for countless stars, each nebula a silent symphony of creation playing out over eons. Within these clouds, gravity draws together hydrogen and helium, the basic building blocks of the universe, pulling them into tighter and tighter clumps. As these clumps grow denser, their internal temperature and pressure increase, setting the stage for the birth of a star. A star is not a static object, but a dynamic churning furnace powered by the nuclear fusion reactions raging within its core. At temperatures of millions of degrees, hydrogen atoms, the simplest and most abundant element in the universe, are fused together to form helium, releasing a torrent of energy that makes its way to the star's surface and out into space. The energy released by nuclear fusion creates an outward pressure that counterbalances gravity's inward pull, maintaining a delicate equilibrium that allows the star to shine for millions, even billions, of years. Massive stars, much larger than our Sun, burn through their nuclear fuel at a much faster rate, leading to shorter but more spectacular lives. As a star ages, the composition of its core changes, with helium, the product of hydrogen fusion, building up over time. The death of a star is not an end but a transformation, a spectacular release of energy and matter that enriches the cosmos and sows the seeds for future generations of stars and planets. Smaller stars, like our Sun, eventually exhaust their hydrogen fuel, causing their cores to contract and heat up. This heating ignites helium fusion in the core, while the outer layers of the star expand outward, transforming it into a red giant. Eventually, the outer layers of the red giant drift away, forming a planetary nebula, a glowing shell of gas and dust, while the core contracts into a white dwarf. Massive stars, in contrast, meet a more dramatic end, triggering a supernova, a cataclysmic explosion that outshines entire galaxies. Gazing up at the night sky, sprinkled with its countless stars, it's hard not to feel a sense of awe and wonder. Each point of light represents a distant sun, many perhaps orbited by their own families of planets. The sheer vastness of the universe, with its billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, makes the possibility of other life, perhaps even other civilizations, seem almost inevitable. The numbers themselves are staggering. If even a tiny fraction of those stars harbor planetary systems, and if even a tiny fraction of those planets harbor conditions suitable for life, then the universe could be teeming with life in its myriad forms. From microscopic organisms clinging to the shores of alien oceans to advanced civilizations harnessing the energy of entire stars, the possibilities are as boundless as the universe itself. Consider the diversity of life on our own planet, from the extremophiles thriving in the most inhospitable environments to the complex ecosystems teeming beneath the ocean surface. If life could arise and flourish in such a variety of forms here on Earth, under such a wide range of conditions, then surely it could arise elsewhere, perhaps in ways we can scarcely imagine. The universe, in its vastness and complexity, provides ample opportunity for life to emerge and evolve, perhaps following paths vastly different from our own. Perhaps on a distant world orbiting a red dwarf star, life has evolved to harness the energy of infrared light, creating ecosystems invisible to our eyes. Or perhaps within the icy shell of a moon orbiting a gas giant, life flourishes in a subsurface ocean warmed by tidal forces and volcanic vents. Driven by an insatiable curiosity and the profound implications of finding even the simplest forms of extraterrestrial life, scientists have embarked on a quest to search for signs of life beyond Earth. This search, utilizing an array of sophisticated technologies and spanning multiple scientific disciplines, has already yielded tantalizing clues and hints of what might be out there. One of the most promising avenues of exploration is the search for exoplanets, planets orbiting stars other than our Sun. Using powerful telescopes both on the ground and in space, astronomers have detected thousands of exoplanets, ranging in size from gas giants larger than Jupiter to rocky worlds comparable in size to Earth. Of particular interest are exoplanets located within the habitable zone, the region around a star where temperatures are just right for liquid water to exist on a planet's surface. Liquid water, considered a prerequisite for life as we know it, is a key factor in the search for habitable worlds. Scientists are also developing techniques to analyze the atmospheres of exoplanets, searching for telltale signs of biological activity such as the presence of oxygen, methane, or other gases that could indicate the presence of life. These atmospheric studies, though challenging, hold the potential to reveal the presence of life on distant worlds, even in its simplest forms. Despite our best efforts and the tantalizing possibilities, the universe has so far remained frustratingly silent. Decades of searching for radio signals from extraterrestrial civilizations have yielded no definitive proof of intelligent life beyond Earth. This silence, while disheartening to some, only deepens the mystery and fuels the desire to keep searching. Perhaps we are looking for the wrong signs, listening on the wrong frequencies, or simply haven't been listening long enough. The vast distances between stars pose a significant challenge to communication, with signals taking years, even centuries, to travel between star systems. It's possible that our cosmic calls have simply not yet reached their intended recipients, or perhaps their responses are still making their way across the vast gulf of space. Or perhaps the universe is not as teeming with life as we might imagine. The conditions necessary for life to arise and for intelligent life to evolve may be far rarer than we realize. The vast majority of the universe may be barren and lifeless, with life confined to a precious few oases scattered across the cosmic desert. This possibility, while humbling, should not diminish our sense of wonder and excitement at the prospect of finding life beyond Earth. Even if we are alone in the universe, even if life on Earth is a rare and precious anomaly, it only amplifies the significance of our own existence and our responsibility to cherish and protect the fragile biosphere we call home. As we ponder the vastness of the universe and the possibility of other life forms, it's easy to feel small, insignificant, even lost in the grand scheme of things. Yet amidst this cosmic immensity there lies a profound and humbling truth. We are not separate from the universe, but an integral part of it. The very atoms that constitute our bodies, the building blocks of our very being, were forged in the fiery hearts of stars that lived and died long ago. Every atom of carbon in our DNA, every atom of oxygen we breathe, every atom of iron in our blood, all were created billions of years ago in the nuclear furnaces of stars, scattered across the cosmos in spectacular supernova explosions. We are, quite literally, children of the stars. Our bodies are testament to the interconnectedness of all things in the universe. This cosmic connection goes beyond the physical. The same laws of physics that govern the motion of galaxies, the birth and death of stars, and the interactions of fundamental particles also govern the workings of our own bodies, the beating of our hearts, and the firing of our neurons. We are not passive observers of the universe, but active participants in the grand cosmic dance of energy and matter. This realization that we are made of the same stuff as the stars, that we are governed by the same laws that shape the cosmos, can be both humbling and empowering. It reminds us that we are part of something much greater than ourselves, a vast and ancient lineage that stretches back to the very beginning of the universe. The connection between ourselves and the universe extends beyond the physical realm into the realm of consciousness, thought, and perhaps even spirituality. As we explore the universe with our telescopes and instruments, we are also exploring the universe within our own minds, seeking to understand the nature of consciousness, the origins of life, and our place in the grand scheme of things. Some believe that consciousness, far from being an emergent property of complex biological systems, is a fundamental aspect of the universe, woven into the very fabric of reality. This idea, often referred to as panpsychism, suggests that even the smallest particles possess some level of awareness, and that consciousness, in its various forms, is an inherent property of the cosmos. Others see the universe as a self-organizing system, constantly evolving and becoming more complex, with life and consciousness as emergent properties of this ongoing process. From the first simple replicating molecules to the complex ecosystems on Earth, life represents a drive towards greater complexity, greater organization, and greater awareness. Whether consciousness is fundamental to the universe or an emergent property of its evolution, there is no denying the profound connection between our inner world of thoughts, emotions, and experiences and the outer world of stars, galaxies, and the vast expanse of space and time. We are, in a very real sense, the universe experiencing itself, contemplating its own existence through the lens of human consciousness. The vastness of the universe can be overwhelming, even terrifying at times, yet it can also be a source of profound peace and inspiration. When we contemplate the sheer scale of the cosmos, our everyday worries and concerns can seem insignificant, even trivial, in comparison. In the silence of a starlit night, we can find a sense of perspective, a reminder that we are part of something much larger than ourselves. The universe, in its vastness and indifference, does not judge or condemn. It simply is. And within that being, within that vast and ancient tapestry of energy and matter, we find our place, our purpose, our connection to something truly awe-inspiring. The universe is not something to be feared, but something to be embraced, explored and celebrated. It is a source of endless wonder and inspiration, a reminder of the beauty and majesty of existence itself. And as we continue to explore the cosmos, both outward with our telescopes and inward with our minds, we may find that the greatest discoveries are not made in the distant reaches of space, but within the depths of our own being. The universe is not out there, separate from ourselves. It is within us, in every atom of our bodies, in every thought we think, in every breath we take. We are the universe experiencing itself, and within that realization lies a sense of wonder, connection, and peace that transcends the boundaries of language and thought. Our journey through the cosmos has taken us from the explosive birth of the universe to the quiet death of stars, from the invisible threads of dark matter and dark energy to the possibility of life on distant worlds. We have peered into the heart of black holes, witnessed the birth of galaxies, and contemplated the very nature of space and time. Throughout this journey, one theme has emerged with resounding clarity. The universe is a place of endless wonder. The scale of the cosmos alone is enough to inspire awe. With its billions of galaxies, each containing billions of stars, stretching out in every direction for distances our minds can scarcely comprehend. But the wonder of the universe is not just a matter of size and scale. It is also a matter of beauty, complexity, and mystery. From the intricate dance of gas and dust in a nebula to the delicate balance of forces within a star, the universe is filled with examples of elegance and sophistication that defy easy explanation. And then there are the mysteries, the questions that continue to haunt us, driving us to explore further, to delve deeper into the unknown. What is the nature of dark matter and dark energy, those enigmatic entities that make up the vast majority of the universe? Are we alone in the cosmos, or do other forms of life, perhaps even intelligent life, exist out there among the stars? These are just a few of the countless questions that keep our curiosity burning bright, reminding us that our journey of discovery is far from over. As we stand on the cusp of new discoveries, with ever more powerful telescopes and instruments peering into the depths of space, we can only marvel at what the future holds. Perhaps we will soon detect the faint signals of extraterrestrial civilizations, finally answering the age-old question of whether we are alone in the universe. Perhaps we will unlock the secrets of dark matter and dark energy, revolutionizing our understanding of the cosmos and our place within it. Or perhaps the most profound discoveries will come from within as we continue to explore the universe within our own minds, seeking to understand the nature of consciousness, the origins of life, and the interconnectedness of all things. The journey of discovery is not just about outward exploration, it is also about inward reflection, about connecting with the universe on a deeper level, recognizing our place within the grand tapestry of existence. As we continue this journey, let us carry with us a sense of humility and wonder, recognizing that the universe is far stranger, far more complex, and far more awe-inspiring than we can possibly imagine. Let us approach the unknown with a spirit of open-mindedness and curiosity, ready to embrace new ideas, challenge old assumptions, and expand our understanding of the cosmos and ourselves. The journey of discovery is never-ending, a perpetual quest for knowledge and understanding that transcends generations and connects us to the grand sweep of cosmic history. And as we venture further into the unknown, we do so not just as scientists, but as explorers, as dreamers, as children of the cosmos, filled with a sense of awe and wonder at the beauty and mystery of the universe we call home. The universe is vast, mysterious, and often indifferent to our human concerns. Yet it is also a source of profound beauty, inspiration, and connection. It reminds us that we are part of something much greater than ourselves, a cosmic tapestry woven from the remnants of stars that lived and died long ago. In the grand scheme of things, our time on this planet is fleeting, a brief flicker in the cosmic timeline. Yet within that fleeting moment, we have the incredible opportunity to witness the universe in all its glory, to contemplate its mysteries, and to celebrate its wonders. Let us not take this opportunity for granted. Let us nurture our sense of wonder, our curiosity, our desire to explore and understand the universe around us and within us. Let us share this wonder with others, inspiring future generations to look up at the night sky with the same sense of awe and curiosity that has driven human exploration for millennia. The universe is calling. Let us answer with open hearts and open minds, ready to embrace the beauty, the mystery, and the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. The cosmos awaits.